Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to handle multiple plans in a given case. We're going to demonstrate this today by doing an ISA consolidation and show how to consolidate a client's existing cash ISAs into a single stocks and shares ISA plan. I've created a test client for this already and also entered the details of the existing plans that we're going to review. We have two cash ISAs, one with Santander and one with Barclays, and an existing 7IM stocks and shares ISA plan into which we intend to transfer these two cash ISAs. I'm going to skip straight to the fees and recommendations section. And to begin to enter the advice to give, we select transfer for the existing cash ISAs to be transferred, and if we select keep for the 7IM stocks and shares ISA that we want to keep, we can see that the recommended new arrangements are automatically generated by the system. This row here represents the existing 7IM stocks and shares ISA, and you can see that the transfers inbox has been automatically populated with the Santander and Barclays cash ISAs that we intend to transfer. Under recommended holdings, the default option is to retain the existing holdings, which refers to the 7IM plan being retained. If we choose to do so, we can double click this and select a different option, such as a managed fund or a DFM portfolio. This will instruct us to switch funds within the existing plan once the transfers have been completed. Under regulars, the default option is to maintain the existing ones present in the 7IM stocks and shares ISA, although, as with other types of arrangements, you can double click this and choose to cease them. In this particular case, I'm going to cease any existing regulars and apply a single contribution of £20,000, which will fully utilise the client's ISA allowance for the current financial year. We can set the remaining ISA allowance for the client here. Alternatively, I can also add a new arrangement. For example, if I wanted to transfer the Barclays and Santander cash ISAs to a new ISA but retain the existing 7AM stocks and shares ISA, I could do so. In this case, we could create a Parmenian stocks and shares ISA, and after I tab out of that, notice that the transfers inbox appears with the options to transfer the cash ISAs into here. As I select them in this particular list box, notice that the option is deselected in the above. This is because you cannot transfer a single plan to more than one destination. To select multiple options, I need to use Control and click. However, for this particular recommendation, I'm not interested in a new plan, and I would like to consolidate them into the existing 7IM stocks and shares ISA. Again, I use Control click to reselect the transfers being entered here. Annual and initial advisor fees remain the same, so I can enter a 0.5% ongoing service charge to be taken from the new plan.